Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the horn on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the horn guys, okay, we'll be working in different fuse boxes today. Okay, we'll have different relays, fuse boxes. Make sure you stay until the end. What we need to do first, we need to come inside the vehicle. There is a hidden fuse box that we need to check right there, and the fuse box, okay, will be on the left side of the steering wheel. Okay, right there underneath you have a hidden fuse box, some relays, and you have more hidden relays in the back as well. We made a special video on our channel, check it out. It's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, by the way guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple, and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here we'll need to check one fuse, and then we need to go to the main fuse box and check another one. You see that fuse panel right here of the mini blade fuses. The fuse numbers will be listed right underneath them. We need to check fuse number 20 right here. This is one of them. But guys, we are not done. We need to go ahead and open the hood facing the engine here. Okay, on the right side, that's the driver's side, we have another fuse box, okay, that we need to check specifically here. And here we need to check fuse number 3. You see this fuse right here. Now, guys, what about the relays? Let us show you. Now, first, okay, if you guys have, okay, 2008 to 2011 year model, okay, you will have that design of a fuse box. Things may differ a little bit. We'll recommend, there is very limited information, but check the 15 amp fuses. It's very likely it's a 15 amp fuse for the horn. About the relay, it's behind the dash, okay, and if you look at the relay guys panel, that's hidden behind the dash. That's why we have a special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan relay location and diagram. Check it out. But here, if you open it, it looks like this one, and here specifically guys, we'll need to check one relay, and that's known as relay number 6 for the horn. So it's hidden behind the dash. We have the video how to get to them, but those are the main fuses and relays we need to check. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.